On September 19th, 2005, a baby was born and died at milepost 19 on Arivaca Road. No matter how many times I ask, you do not answer my question. You leave me only with this. 10 years ago, you birthed a baby along an Arizona roadside. What created this child? Love or rape? I ask, did you leave for a better life?
Well, the land is us. And I remember somebody was talking, we are kind of like Native Americans, we're kind of like bird people because we depended a lot on various types of seeds, especially corn. So the land is us. We are the land. No real separation in our minds from that. And that's what's caused so much problems with the dominant society and Native American society. Is the dominant society basically looks at the land as a method to make a profit, where we see it as basically the earth is our mother. We came from the earth. So that's why we revered so much the land, because we feel we are birthed from the land.
No ve a mi esposo, el niño llora todas las santas noches.
Every night my son cries for his father. He won't eat anything.
Mi hijo no come nada, más nada, mi hijo no come nada, nada. Si no es con él, no come. Y eso a mí me ha pegado horrible.
No, it's really affected me badly.
Sí. Después pude ir a verlo y no me dejaron entrar.
Then I went to go visit my husband at the detention center and they wouldn't let me in.
Y después contactamos a un abogado y lo cambiaron de cárcel.
And we were able to find a lawyer to try to get him out, but then they moved him.
Y allá no hay manera de irlo a ver, está muy lejos. Está en Mississippi.
They moved him to Mississippi, and now I can't see him because he's so far away.